Life insurance is often thought of as a financial safety net for loved ones after we pass away. However, many people are unaware that life insurance can also be a valuable asset while we're still alive. By understanding the various features and benefits of life insurance policies, individuals can leverage them to address a range of financial needs and goals during their lifetime. One way to use life insurance while alive is through living benefits, also known as accelerated death benefits. These benefits allow policyholders to access a portion of their death benefit if they experience a qualifying event such as a terminal illness, chronic illness, or critical illness. By accessing these funds, individuals can alleviate the financial burden associated with medical expenses, long-term care, or other unforeseen costs, ensuring that their quality of life is maintained. Some life insurance policies offer cash value accumulation, typically in permanent life insurance like whole life or universal life. The cash value grows tax-deferred, allowing policy holders access through loans or withdrawals while alive. Funds serve various needs like retirement income, education, or emergencies. Moreover, life insurance aids in estate planning and wealth transfer. Strategic beneficiary designation and policy ownership structure facilitates smooth asset transfer, minimizing taxes and probate costs. Proceeds can equalize inheritance or cover taxes and debts. In conclusion, life insurance transcends mere posthumous security. It's a strategic asset for a lifetime financial stability. Understanding its diverse benefits empowers individuals to safeguard their loved ones and realize their aspirations, ensuring a legacy of financial security and fulfillment. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.